In this video, we'll talk about outside closing dates and how they can protect you when you're buying new construction in New York City. Hi, my name is John Moss. I'm a partner at Moss & Moss LLP, a law firm in the heart of New York City in the Flatiron District on Park Avenue South. Let's get into it. So when you're buying new construction in New York City, for example, you're buying a condo, the building may not be built yet. The building may be under construction when you sign your contract. So it's possible that the closing date is far, far down the road. When the contract is signed before the building is completed, the closing date isn't necessarily set forth. The closing date depends on various different things: building being completed, a certificate of occupancy allowing the building to be occupied, being issued, and so on and so forth. When the closing date comes around, the sponsor's attorney will contact your attorney or contact you to set the closing date. However, if the sponsor runs out of money, or if the construction simply takes too long, a year, 2 years, this is entirely possible, you're going to be stuck sitting there with your money in escrow, not earning interest, and this is a massive problem. You won't have a place to live. So, what can you do about it? When you're speaking with your attorney before you sign the contract, you can ask your attorney to include an outside closing date as regards when the closing will occur. The outside closing date frequently is something like 9, 12, maybe even 18 months out. But in this way, you can protect yourself so that at least when that date comes, you can then cancel the contract and receive back your deposit. Your attorney will have to submit this for approval with the sponsor's attorney in the course of their negotiation of the contract. Once it's completed, as you're waiting for the closing to occur, at some point, if you're getting close to that outside closing date, you'll contact your attorney, you'll discuss the matter, and you'll see whether you do in fact want to proceed or not. If you don't want to proceed and the closing does not occur by that outside closing date, you can then have your attorney contact the sponsor's counsel and demand the return of your deposit, canceling the contract, rendering it null and void. At that point, the sponsor really doesn't have much choice. They will return your funds and you can move on to the next transaction. In this way, you're protected and your investment is secured. If you ever need an attorney for real estate matters in New York City, we'd be happy to help. Have a great day.